Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is fairy garden ideas. Creating a fairy garden is a delightful and whimsical way to bring magic and enhancement to your outdoor or indoor space. Here are some fairy garden cottage ideas to inspire you. Choose the perfect container, select a container or planter that suits your style in space. It could be large pot, an old wheelbarrow, a wooden crate, or even broken pot that you can repurpose creatively. Create a fairy-sized landscape. Use potting soil to shape the terrain inside the container. Create hills, valleys, and mountains to mimic a miniature landscape. Add rock pebbles and small swing to create path step or a flower rivers. Miniature fairy furniture. Place tiny furniture pieces like benches, table, and chair made from the natural materials such as twigs, leaves, or small stone. You can also purchase miniature furniture from craft store or online. Plant miniature plants. Choose a small plant and mosses that resemble trees, shrubs, and flowers in proportion to your fairy garden. Consider using succulent sounds cover or herbs that can be withstand the condition in your garden. Add magical elements. Incorporate whimsical and magical elements such as miniature houses, fairies, doors, to toadstools, fairy figurines, and teeny lanterns. You can find these art garden centers or make them yourself using materials like clay, wood, or resin, color glass,